Hello and welcome to Inspire DIYer. My name is Max and today I'm going to be showing you my very special wood project that I have been working on. This feels a bit strange because I already finished the project, but I'm going to explain you on how I built this first, and then I'll show you right after on all the process that I went through. And I built this entire project from all the scrap woods that I have. So this project didn't cost me anything, honestly, but if you're going to build it, it will probably cost you at most, I would say like $20 to $30 depending on where you get your woods. So let's get right into this video after this. Okay, so as I said from the beginning that I don't have like a clear building plans on how I built this project, but I built it with a consideration of obviously you want to mount the steering wheel here at your sort of your elbows like level, so you want it to bend like a little bit at a couple of degrees, and you want to make sure that it's kind of like close to your chest level, kind of like when you're driving a real car, right? And the second thing that you have to consider is the pedal. So with the pedal here, I push it a little bit deeper because if you were to put the pedal like right here, it would be kind of awkward because you're sitting straight up, like, and you don't drive your car like that, right? So that's the second thing I factor it in, which is why I went with this particular setup. There were a couple of things that didn't go right with the project. The first one that I realized is, so this pedal here has a lot of problem because this Thrustmaster T150 that I got is really good, but the pedals are so cheap. Like it's like really light rubber grip at the bottom, which was sliding all over, which is why I decided to build this project from the beginning. Because I tried mounting the steering wheel onto my desk like right here, and then it was kind of shaking my desk a little bit, which doesn't feel good because it's shaking my monitor as well. You see that towards the middle and the end of my project, I was actually putting the pedal way too far forward, so I basically just unscrew it and re-screw it in. So now I shift, like in the beginning I put it all the way up here and it felt really awkward to like stretch out my legs like that. So that's how I moved it back. So anyways, I'm going to be showing you the actual video of how I was building this project from taking all the pieces apart of the fish aquarium, and I hope you enjoy the video. This is not going to be a usual tutorial or anything. Getting a bit bored of with all the restrictions and everything, so I went ahead and bought this Thrustmaster's like sim racing wheels and pedal set. And what I realized is pedal, if you leave it on the ground and you kind of kick and push it, it lifts up, which isn't really functioning. So it's gonna be kind of sort of my documentary recording or something, and then I'll show you when it's done or in process, I guess. So it is still lifting up if I hit the brake really hard, so we're gonna have to add this one more piece here. Hi and welcome back to the day 2 of this project. And I thought of this idea, if I was gonna put the 2x4s here, it would be a bit too close. I'm not sure if it's gonna be comfortable, like in case I need a stretch or something. It's probably okay, but anyways, I'm gonna be adding a 2x2 right here, and then obviously screw those in. And that's going to add more surface so that it looks more natural. Alright, here's what we got so far. added in the 2x4s. I found this piece of plywood, but you can also use a 2x4 or any piece of even particle board or something. That would do as a support as well. Sorry, just listening to my morning podcast. So that's why I can't put out the sound. So mount this on here. As expected, it's shaking like this, which is okay. We're going to be using this piece, just left over from the last project, as a support piece. And then we're going to stick, oh gosh, there's a screw there. We're going to stick it crossing like a crossbar support here. And I'm just going to go cut and be right back. Okay, so now I'm going to add one last support piece, which is this leftover plywood as well, and put it right about here. It's just going to be high enough that I can still reach the pedal without hitting it, and it's going to support the metal. I think that should work. Yeah, just going to go cut it. Holy shit, I am so dumb, I'm not even kidding. Got the clamp. Did it all this time without the clamp. Use it from the very beginning. Okay, my action camera completely died. With that, I'm gonna conclude this project. Thanks for watching, everyone.